Copco Compact Manual Adjustable Coffee Grinder, 6.5 inches, Aqua. Lightweight and portable coffee grinder with manual hand crank eliminates the loud noise that electric grinders produce. Grind your favorites roast quietly in an office cubicle or in your kitchen when your loved ones are fast asleep. Small, compact size makes it easy to storage when not in use, but also allows you to travel with and brew freshly roasted ground coffee beans on your next camping, hiking, backpacking, or outdoors trip. Built-in adjustable grind selector with 5 settings ensures you have precision control over the coarseness of your grinds. Perfect for crafting your favorite coffee for pour-over, drip, chemex, cold brew, French press, percolator, AeroPress, Turkish, espresso, reusable K-cups and more. The exterior is crafted from stainless steel and plastic, while the interior grinding mechanism consists of ceramic burrs, which are more durable than stainless steel. The bottom portion of the grinder is built to catch the grinds within the canister. Simply twist the bottom of the grinder to detach the cup to expose the grinds. Hand wash only. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.